Driver Squad, what's going on? YouTube, what's going on? It's your favorite truck driver back with another video. As you can tell, I'm about to be showing y'all everything that I picked up for February. I mean, it's January right now, but I just gotta get ready for February because I'm gonna be dropping these videos in February. Which, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click that subscribe button because I drop videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So stay tuned, ring that bell so you can be notified. But y'all didn't come for all this jibber jabber, this talking, you know. I'm gonna show y'all everything that I picked up. So we're gonna start with shoes. I feel like I need to just scoot y'all back just a little bit. We're gonna start with shoes though. So these are some of the shoes that I picked up. Oh! Show y'all something clean, something nice. Alright, so what we got right here is the Air Max 98s. Let me see. Can y'all see that? I think y'all can see that. We got some Air Max 98s. Now, they dropped on sneakers and stuff. And I was like, you know what? I had to get them. So we got the Air Max 98s. Looking very beautiful. Very beautiful. As you can tell, very beautiful. And then, oh, how much these? Let me check on the price. These was I'm gonna have the price right there. That's how much they were. That's how much they were right there. And then I also got these. Nike came out with some new Nike shoes. And these not even new. These was back in the day. These came out back in the day. I didn't know that. But I'm glad that they dropped because they pretty fire. I got these on sneakers and stuff, so I'm gonna make sure I leave that link. I'm gonna leave both of these links down below. So if you wanna buy, you can go pick them up. So he also got these Air Max 2 Lite. I know these was 174. Air Max 98s was 198 because it's a Europe. They in Europe, so you just gotta pay just a little bit extra, but it's alright though. Yeah, these are pretty beautiful. You got this yellow canvas almost, then you got this hyper red, pink almost check with the back splash, probably like silver gray with the embossed Nike. Yeah, this mug pretty dope. With the blue bottom and black sole. Yeah, this pretty dope. So this is what we picked up. I thought about selling them, go ahead and sell them, but you know the springtime coming up, so I'm gonna give it a few more months, and then we're gonna sell them things. Then on top of that, so I was, you know, when I come home, I just, you know, I go shoe shopping, and I was in North Little Rock and McCain Mall, and you know, I was just strolling, trying to find some shoes that I can put back online to go resell. So we ain't found out one. Oh, we didn't buy not one. We bought two of them. And they still had them in the size 4. That's all they had was size 4s. And on top of that, I check on GOAT and see how much they cost, or StockX. Tell me why these bad boys was $420. They was reselling for $420. So if you do the math, retail was $170. They going for $420. Think about that. I'm just saying, peep game, catch my drift. I'm telling you, if you got a dream out here, man. If you got some type of dream out here, see what you gotta do. Start researching how you can turn your dreams into plans and start manifesting. Because you can turn whatever you passion for to income. Extra side money, that can be your own business. You know, for me, I'm trying to bring it down to Arkansas because we don't really got nothing like that. So I'm just trying to bring this reselling sneaker culture. I mean, it's already here, but we don't have an official store. So I'm working on that, but for right now, it's all everything online. And you know, if you knew, hold on, give me a second. Give me a quick second. If you knew, I can say it, but I'm gonna show you. You can also follow me on there. Screenshot and follow me on there. You know, I'm Poshmart. Is at Chaseway. And then you know you got Instagram at _Chaseway. Then my Snapchat at Tykill. You got that, then you know, go and click that subscribe button, go and like, you know, go and comment what you feel about my videos. Share it. Support your kid, man. Ain't nothing wrong with supporting me, nephew. Shout out to everybody that's supporting me now. Thank you. I'm grateful. I'm gonna be honest. Cause I'm showing the same love that y'all give me. Especially when y'all be not commenting, but direct messaging me on Instagram. When y'all be DMing me, I'll be proud. When y'all don't, I understand. It is what it is though. But y'all do be watching y'all been doing y'all thing. I think we at like 370 now. We at 370. We're almost to 400. So shout out to y'all. Shout out to Driver Squad, man. I'm proud. I'm very proud. And also what I picked up, cause we ain't done. Let me see, is that all the shoes? That's all the kicks that I picked up? Yeah, that's all. Okay, that's all the kicks. Now, Chaseway about to go to another level. So, you know, I was like, I got a special trip coming up in February. Not February, but March. I got a special. But nah, that ain't it. I got a special trip coming up. And I was like, it's only right if I make it right for us. Gotta make sure we continue to grow on YouTube. Cause if I don't grow, how will y'all enjoy me? Hold on one second. If y'all don't enjoy me, so what I end up doing, I was like, Noah, you selling your GoPro? He's like, yeah, $100. Word. So I got the Hero. I think this the GoPro Hero 3. And it got the waterproof case or whatnot. So I got, let me show y'all. Well, I'm gonna keep it in case, just in case I break it or drop it. But this waterproof, baby. So we got that. You know, I really can't see on the back, but it's cool. Cause I got some accessories too. So, and then on top of that, shout out to Delson. He knew somebody that was able to give me a good deal on the GoPro Hero Black 7. And you know, I'm testing this out. Me, Corey, Day, and Taiwan. We better go to trampoline park, which will be next video after this. So we're gonna have a blast. I'm gonna put that thing on my chest. I'm gonna let them put it on their chest so they can, you know, just have fun. That's all we're gonna do. Just have some fun with it. So I got these two things. I got a GoPro 3, then I got a GoPro 7, which I'm very happy about, because when I say I'm gonna be needing these next month, dang. Well, for this video sake, it is next month. But it's January right now. But for March, I'm gonna be needing these because we're gonna be doing our Thug Dizzle. I'm gonna have to go buy me a waterproof case, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's already a waterproof case, but I gotta buy me another waterproof case. And I'm just leave it at that. Just that simple. If you can pay attention to details or you can infer, read between the lines, make sure you use your educated guess. Because Chaseway trying to take it to another level, baby. I'm trying to expand y'all horizons. I got about 5 videos just based off that trip. 5 of them things. And then I'm also doing I'm also showing like what I like to eat when I come home. So I got a series of that. It's gonna be no talking. Nothing but strictly food and what I order and where at. That's it. And then I bought some accessories. So I went to Amazon and they got this little 51-piece set where it came in this case. Let me show y'all pretty much everything that it could possibly come with it. So it came with pretty much all these items right here. And it said it fit a GoPro Hero Session 5, Hero 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this was pretty much all the accessories. Like, pretty much, let's see. It fits everything besides the, no. It fits everything, to be honest. cause how it's made, how the GoPro is made, it works for everything. So I'm very excited about that. I ain't gonna shoot it. Can y'all see everything? Let me see. Yeah, y'all can see everything. This everything. But that's all I picked up. Be on the lookout, cause Chaseway is coming with it. But this how I'm gonna end February pickup, my most recent pickup. And some links will be down below if you think about purchasing it too. So y'all have a good day. Chaseway is up out of here, and I'll see y'all in another video. Thank y'all for all y'all love and support. Thank y'all for being on this journey with me. Thank y'all for subscribing, for being part of the driver squad. Cause I know y'all are drivers, and y'all like to drive too. If you're not driving, you're gonna be a driver one day. You're gonna be not a professional driver, but you're gonna be a car driver. For sure that, cause you need to get around. You gotta be independent in this world. And we're gonna go and get up out of here, and I'll see y'all in another video. Chaseway is out. Peace.